There's the beets. There's the bananas. There's my jungle. Moose. Purple grass. Other planty plants. Oh my gosh, so big. Can you hear the froggies? Tiny swamp. Ooh, I need this. Tons of figgies. Figgy. I picked some this morning. Ooh, they're splitting. There's the papaya tree. Ugh. You heard the frogs? Look at the pumpkin patch. It's massive. Massive. Got some planty plants. Look at this jungle. It kind of choked out the okra. The okra got swallowed up. Oh my god, the cruisins this morning. I pulled out the tomato plants except for that one. And then these are, I've got some yellow beets. Carrot going to seed, purple carrot. These are the Minnesota midget. Cantaloupes. Crawling all over the place. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Get the pumpkin leaves. Squish, squish. Oh, Christi. Oh my god, the frogs. There's the mulberry tree. Goji It's full. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. It's a river. It's not normally a river. Oh my god, the frogs. Swish, swish, swish. Some green beans. Some bell peppers. Got some banana trees rooting. Mary is gonna blossom. I pulled all the corn out. I got some yellow beets in here. I probably should eat this one. It's bigger than a softball. It's bigger than my hand. It's massive. It's massive. Oh, that's a ground cherry. Things are going crazy. The frogs, man, the frogs. What's that jungle? This is what it looks like when we getting close to 10 inches of rain. Things turn into a giant jungle in South Texas. Woohoo! There's more plumerias. And this is our asparagus. It's the tallest I've ever seen it. It's almost as tall as our pergola. Never seen it so tall. So pretty. Got some pretty peppers. And I got, I should put that on my pizza tonight. And I got a bacon avocado tree growing. We got some puddlings. I need another hand. There's always puddles here. Puddles. Splish, splish, splish. There's our grapevine. And raspberries are okay. And raspberries, blueberries. Some kind of butterfly bush. Moringa. Figgies. We didn't get to finish this yet. Ooh, that's fully saturated. Tomato plants are getting hit kind of crazy. Hope they snap out of it. Oh, my grapevine. Looking crazy. Crazy, crazy. It's like a secret hut under here. If I can get in here. No, the birds have been eating them all. I've been busy. They ate them all. Oh my god. There's not a grape left. I don't see any. Oh my gosh. I just have a secret hideout. They ate all my grapes. It's not ripe. They didn't even let them get big enough. That is crazy. There's my grapevine hideout. And then, look at all the rain. Look what it did to the pomegranate tree. It's like, never droops like that. It looks like, Waylon said it looked like a weeping willow. That is crazy. Never ever seen it look like this. Wow. Pomegranate. Hope she's okay. There's a lot of rain. There's our peach tree. Oops. There's our peach tree. Florida Prince. And avocado, jelly avocado. So Waylon dug this out a little more. And made it wider, so there's a moat to capture rain to help with the fruit trees. So yeah, we'll see how that. Nothing's drowning, so it looks good. That looks good. I get my lemon, and my fig tree is getting some more leaves. This is the brown turkey. The birds come hang out under here, and then today there was like 6 squirrels from the squirrel family, Chippy and Chippette. They came and they were running all around here. We just saw a woodpecker out here. Oh, I had to move my basil because it was getting too hot in the back and it was just dying back there. So I brought that one here and I brought that one over here. And plenty of rainwater. Plenty of water. And, the back totes are full. And that's it.